Hey guys, it's Morgan, your favorite reseller, back at it again with another video. Today we're going to talk about finding product identifiers on Walmart.com for the Walmart Marketplace. All right, let's get started. So you will get here from your homepage by clicking the catalog button, and this will bring up the manage items page where you'll be able to see all your items published, aired, draft, or processing. So from there, you're going to want to click the add items button. So once we click there, there's a couple different ways that we can do this. So first, you can add the UPC right here. So I have an item in my hand and the UPC could be on the back, the side, the top, bottom. It's a unique identifier, so I'm going to go ahead and type that in here. And we'll hit search. And then once you do that, you can see that the item pops up here. Another way that you can do that is by going to walmart.com and typing in the item. You can actually see that I already typed it in, so we'll just click that there. And you'll see all the things that come up with that name. So it's important to make sure that you have the right size. So ours is the 7 fluid ounce one, not the 3 fluid ounce, even though they look alike. So we're going to want to go ahead and click the 7 fluid ounce one. And once you go in and click that item, you will be able to see the Walmart product identifier. Also, don't use this product. Mine's expired and I got it on clearance a long time ago. This is just an example. So the Walmart identifier can be found in the URL link, this unique number right here, and we'll go ahead and copy and paste. So once we copy that and put it back into that search box on the add items page, you'll see that the same thing will pop up. And there you go. So the same exact thing pops up. Something else that you could do here is go ahead and type in the item name. And what that'll do is that will bring in all the different items that have that name or something similar. So you'll see that these were the same options that popped up on the Walmart.com screen. This is the item that we chose, and you'll see that there. Also, you can click this more info button where you can find the item ID, G10, UPC, and the EAN number. So those are all the unique identifiers that will pull up this specific item when searching it for it in the add items box. So that is how you find the product identifier. And the next thing we'll talk about is adding a product to your Walmart.com catalog.